Happy Easter, everyone! This is Lauren Bucas with another Home Studio LAC. Today I'm going to show you how to make crafts with kids for Easter out of paper plates. First, you're going to gather your supplies. Then you're going to take your white piece of paper and trace out some bunny ears. I like to trace out the first one first and then use that as a template to trace the second one, so they're roughly the same size. So now I have two bunny ears. But I'm going to create some pink inside the ears, so I'm going to take my tissue paper. I'm going to cut some little squares and we're going to glue them on the inside of the ears. And now we have our two sets of ears. Next, we're going to take our paper plate and draw the face of our bunny. Now you can make, you can actually use googly eyes, but I don't have any googly eyes right now, so I'm just going to draw in the eyes. One circle, and then another. Then I'm going to make the nose. You could do this out of construction paper as well, or that tissue paper we used. And the mouth. And I'm going to draw some whiskers. You can actually make the whiskers out of pipe cleaners as well. I decided I'm going to add a construction paper nose here. Now I'm going to glue my ears onto the back of the bunny. And here I'm going to use my more liquid Elmer's school glue. Now we're going to set that aside and let it dry. Now that our ears have sufficiently dried, I can actually add a popsicle stick or something else to the back of the bunny. Don't have any popsicle sticks, but I have this old poly brush here that I'm actually going to tape to the back of the styrofoam. I'm actually going to take this little bit of a cotton ball and glue it to make the cottontail of the bunny. The supplies you'll need for our second paper Easter bunny are very similar to the supplies you'll need for the first one. So first you're going to take your paper plate. I like to use an actual paper plate for this rather than the styrofoam plate we used for the last one. And you're going to fold it in half. Then you're going to take your scissors and cut that paper plate in half down the middle on the fold. Going to set that aside. Then you're going to take your one half of the plate and you're going to fold it over into a triangle shape. This is the part where it stands. You're then going to take the second half of your paper plate and you're going to cut some ears for your bunny. You're then going to take your pink piece of paper and create the ears, the pink space in the ears. And I'm going to glue those in the inside of my ears. I'm going to set those aside while I work on the rest of my bunny. This is another place I could put googly eyes on the bunny, but I'm going to draw it instead. Here you could actually put a pom-pom or something like that. I don't have any pom-poms right now, but I am going to take a bit of my tissue paper from the last project, crinkle it up, take my wet school glue, and glue it on there to make a nose. Now I'm going to create the mouth. And then I'm going to take my wet school glue and glue on these ears. And there we have our rocking bunny. We hope these two crafts put you and your children in the Easter spirit. For more videos of other crafts that we have featured, please visit our website, latrobeartcenter.org, our YouTube channel, and our Facebook page. Have a safe and happy Easter weekend.